Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my new portable SSD. Now, the SSD I purchased is this Adata SD600Q. And as you can see, it's a durable SSD. I must admit, absolutely adore the color. I haven't actually seen it. So this SSD is 240 gigabytes in size. So it states that it's 4 times high speed. It's anti-shock and rugged reliability, which is something I'm looking for because I'm going to be using this for my university work. So specification wise, this SSD has a USB 3.1 interface with a max speed of 5 gigabits per second. The operating temperatures are between 5 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. And it states that it's 60 grams. In terms of size, it's 80 by 80 by 15.2 millimeters. So obviously it's USB 3 backward compatible. It supports Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. I'm not sure why Windows XP is still on there. Or macOS 10.6 or later. It also supports the Linux kernel 2.6 or later and Android 5.0 or later. Now, according to this, the package contains an external SSD, USB 3.1 cable and quick start guide. And it also comes with something called HDD2Go or West2Go. That's probably some sort of cloning software, I would imagine. Let me know in the comments. I'm not going to be needing that at the moment. So let's get to the unboxing. So this is it. So the sides here, they are some form of plastic. The actual body of the SSD is some form of rubber. Now I must admit, it does look nice. However, I was expecting it to be more like this. I was hoping it to be metal. Nevertheless, it's still nice. It will do the job I want it to do. Now, one of the first things I noticed, which I'm not so keen about, is the fact that it doesn't have USB-C. But in my opinion, that's not a big issue whatsoever. The SSD itself does actually look pretty cool, I must admit. So this is how long the cable is, for a size reference. It also comes with a quick start guide, which I won't be needing. So as you can see, the SSD has now been connected to my computer. And for the first test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer my university work backup. So just so that you get an idea of the size. The size of this zip file is 15.8. So the size of this zip file is 15.8 gigabytes. Let's have a look how it handles it. Now, if you're interested in what software I'm using to transfer, I use Terracopy. It's just a free edition, but I really like it because it will also verify my data, which is very important because if, for example, you're backing up something and it doesn't transfer properly or something, then, wow, it won't be good, will it? Because you can't recover your data, and it won't be a backup. Yes, so that's relatively fast. So they're just going to verify it now. But what I'm going to do whilst it's verifying, I'm going to create a new folder. Let's go new folder 2. Yeah, so now that it's finished verifying, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to do it backwards. So I've created a new folder here, so it doesn't override my backup. And I'm going to drag it back to the desktop here. Yeah, so that concludes the second test. Now, I must admit I'm a bit disappointed on this occasion. It took about 11 minutes in total to have this data transferred, which isn't best. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run CrystalDiskMark. So, which device are you? It's E. Right. I'm gonna do 64 now. So I'm gonna transfer a 32. Yeah, let's leave it at that. Right. Yeah. Okay. So I'll leave it to do that, as it will take some time. Yeah, so the test finished, and as you can see, those are the results from CrystalDiskMark. I must admit the SSD is reasonable for what I'm going to be using it for. It's perfectly more than enough. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well, so you know when I post my videos. Stay tuned to my next video.